Hi, I'm traveling again. Where do I put this? Where? Today is the day before my birthday. It's 28th. Basically, it's 28 because it's only 12:43. So just the start of 28th of August. And I'm gonna be traveling. To be honest, this is a very last minute decision, and I'm not sure if I really deserve this holiday. But I've been really sad lately, so I just want to go somewhere and hopefully come back to a better fucking home. So yeah, now I'm just chilling and eating. That is the food. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say.
Eating juice.
Idiot. Tak ingat ya ni. Oh, this is the food. Yeah, this is not a good angle. What the? So yeah, I'm still gonna bring you guys along wherever that may be. I'm gonna bring you, and I'm gonna try to compile as many footage as I can, and I'm gonna try to edit also, because I've been editing, but it's just never finished. I don't know what's with me in editing. It's always not the right song. It's always not the right footage. For my 32nd birthday, what I wish for myself was just to let go of things that I cannot control, that I have no control of, and chill a bit. I want to be a cool girl. Cool girl. I really am. And I don't want to be sad anymore. I've been listening to a lot of sad songs recently, and my favorite sad song was from Christina Perri. I'm not sure the title of the song, but it goes like this. Today I'm gonna write a sad song, gonna make it really long, so that everyone can see that I'm very unhappy. I wish I wasn't always wrong. I wish it wasn't always my fault. That's all. I cannot sing here. It's a lot of people. Because my boarding time is at 2:40. 1:50. No. What time is it? I have 1 hour to go before my boarding. So now I'm gonna go salat because I haven't salat yet. See you guys later. Bye. The toilet is so pretty. Just eating now because I'm hungry. Shumai. Bagus.
وجميع أمتعتكم بإحكام ولن الخزانة العضوية. إذا كانت لديكم حقائب صغيرة يمكنكم وضعها تحت
Now I'm in Dubai. I'm in Dubai now, waiting for our connecting flights. I just done shower at the lounge, which makes me so refreshed. And I ate. I ate something. I ate the scrambled eggs and the sausages and the salmon bagel thing. It was nice. Oh, tunjuk. I want to show you guys. They have pistachio ice cream. Free of charge. So delicious. This is not like the normal pistachio ice cream. This one tastes like the banky ones. So good. Bila nak makan apa lagi lepas ni?
Just want to get ice cream. It's too far. It's too far.
You can do it, baby. Sudah gila ice cream ni.
Memang tak ada muka.
Habis je. What's left to do is to sleep. And we found the perfect spot. So we're just gonna sleep now and get ready for boarding later. Flight to London now. Let's go.
Welcome, Misa Magdalene. Welcome, 17
That side,
just
right?
on the
Alright, awesome. Thank you. Hi. Alright, thank you. 17. Just ordered the next flight. Now we're gonna go to London. Let's go.
Thank you. Yang ni macam mas.
Kenapa? Ah. Tadi macam luas. Some orange juice? No, it's okay. Water is good. Until now, I don't know how people do eyeliner with me. I just do it and it's very messy. Okay, don't judge me. Don't judge me cause I'm beautiful. No, it's only 7 and we're just gonna go trying to walk. Walk ke naik train?
Naik trip.
Naik train.
Oh, jap.
Is it gonna? I'm in Covent Garden now. It's so quiet because it's so early in the morning. Now I'm gonna take photo. Huh? And I'm gonna try the pistachio chocolate escargot. Oh, the chocolate is very dark, very bitter, but it's so good. It complements the bread. The bread is sweet.
Tak tahu. Tisu bapak.
It's better than the Huckleberry one.
Ini nak tisu kat sini.
We just had breakfast and it was so nice. I like the combo pan Swiss, macam nak sebut pan Swiss.
Bonsoir.
Pan Swiss. We had the combo croissant, which is so good. But boy didn't like it because he feels that it. Oh. I'm at the Big Ben. The last time I was here, it was still under construction, and I'm so glad that it's done. I already took a bunch of nice photos in Westminster Abbey, and now we're gonna head to Borough Market to have snacks. And then after that, can we have lunch at Harry's maybe?
Yeah.
Harry's. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Just gonna go have light snacks at Borough Market, which is my favorite place on earth. Let's go there. On our way to Borough Market. It's only like, it's not even 11, but a lot of people here. Look at that. What's under open? I wanna get that. Chelsea ke oyster?
Mix them, okay? Really nice. You've got sweeter ones, more salty, more flavour. Whatever.
I got my oyster. These are my oyster, and I'm just gonna eat it. Sedapnya air laut dia.
Salty yellow.
Very, very salty. Basically, I got a mix of like the salty one and the sweet ones. The first one that I tried was really, really salty. Second one. Delicious. Yeah, let's try the sweet one. Tak ada yang sweet pun, semua salty je. It's delicious though. Tapi kalau I letak more lemon, it will be like very very salty. But it was delicious.
Then?
Then let's go get something else and then I'm gonna come back for the oyster. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got the oyster. It was so nice as well. Tak ada. Jom jalan je lah. Jalan the market lah. Yo, the truffle. Oh, sebenarnya bau. The truffle smells so nice. Oh, wow. Tapi sedap lah. The crumble makes it balanced because the crumble is a bit salty. But you have to take the crumble if you don't take the crumble, it's just sweet and like it's just vanilla. And the only thing that I can say about the humble crumble, it is humbling experience. Okay, wait, I'm gonna say, okay, bye bye, I'm gonna finish it. Because you always have to finish your food. Don't just buy and not finish it. You have to finish it.
Finish it.
I know. So
You have
no.
to finish your food.
I got a donut. Help me, brother. Help me, husband. I got a donut. Basically, I got the donut. Basically, this is the donut that has gone viral, and it's always sold out. But we come on a lovely Thursday, and yes, still there. So we have to try. Okay, look at that. Look at the donut. I think it's just custard with sugar and torch. Okay, so let's try. Oh, why am I eating the sugar? Okay, let's try.
Yes.
Welcome to stop number 2, everybody. Welcome. Excellent. Right. So, what do we think's next? We've had our breakfast. We're now moving on in the day. Probably lunchtime now. We're feeling a little bit packaged.
Join the tour.
What will we have for lunch?
Anyways, yeah.
Well,
Donut is good.
so-
Donut is just like,
Brunch. I like it.
yeah, the donut is empty inside, but you have the topping on top of the donut.
I have a fryer.
It's okay.
But we'll go full on
Again,
lunch.
again,
Yeah.
again, it's not life changing, so I'm just gonna take one bite. And I'm gonna ask my husband to finish it off.
Chips. So then you have that. Go back down.
Oh, I do. I think we're done with Borough Market for today. We're just super full, so we cannot eat a lot. So now we're just gonna go to get matcha at Blank Street. It looks ashy, but the blueberry was so good. The matcha was good as well. 9 out of 10. Now it's 1 p.m. and we're just gonna go back to the hotel and chill, rest, and then we're gonna go out. That's what we're gonna do. So bye. Lighting sini eh. I'm out and about again. Now I'm well rested and I'm so happy to go out again, and now we're going to VA Museum to go to Taylor Swift Songbook Trail. We're gonna go to different moments, different eras of Taylor Swift, all put together in an exhibit. I'm so excited for that. Let's go. So what happened was V&A Museum actually hired Taylor Superfan to help build the exhibit. So when you first enter, you are walking past all these ancient statues, which is so cool how they display it. Everything looks so lifelike and it's huge. And then you will see pops of the trail at 13 hidden spots across the building. I didn't manage to find the footage, but this room has all of her childhood stuff, like her country dress and her first ever acoustic guitar. It's literally where the whole thing started, and it is so crazy to see where it all began. The coolest part of this is that everything that you're looking here is not a replica or a copy. Every single pieces here, these dresses, the tour outfits, the instruments, and the guitars actually come directly out of Taylor Swift's personal and private archive. Like, she literally went into her own vault, packed up all these historic pieces of her career and shipped them over to London just for this trail.
Please rise for our national anthem.
Salt air and the rust on your door.
This exhibition was also planned in total secret, so nobody would leak it until right before Eras tour hit London.
They want what's best for me. Sanctimoniously performing soliloquies I'll never see. Thinking it can
Alright guys, I was just done with the VA Taylor Swift Songbook Trail Tour. It was amazing, but I also got to experience a bit of the museum, and I kind of learned something about the national history and the way they put stuff so that they make it really alive. I learned a lot at the museum and it was nice, and I feel like I can be a history teacher or something. I learned so much. Anyways, as I was saying, now we're gonna go to dinner. Dinner is a 16-minute walk from VA. So we're just gonna walk and have dinner. I can't wait to eat the truffle pasta. Let's go. Okay, let's see. It's 4 a.m. and I cannot sleep. This is what I picked up at Waitrose yesterday, and I'm gonna eat that. This is the thing. So we're gonna see if it's good or not. Let's see, let's try.
So keep it, sayang.
Now we're gonna eat girl dinner. Girl dinner. Currently watching House Sisters. And yeah, this is my dinner. How sad. I don't want to be sad. I'm gonna try this and see if it's good. Okay. It's potato dauphinoise. Dauphinoise. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure. But it's supposed to be noise because it's potato dauphinoise. 3, 5, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. Oh, yummy. Tastes like cream. I haven't gotten the potato bits yet. But it's delicious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. It's soupy. I have leftover ranch yesterday from the Wingstop. Let's try with a ranch. Look at that. Look at the cheese pool. Amazing. Ooh, look at that. It's not playing. It would be better with the chili sauce, of course. But we didn't bring any food from Malaysia. We didn't bring any seasoning. We didn't bring any instant noodle. So we have to just go to the supermarket and get something when we're hungry, which is inconvenient. But we're gonna pull through. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Bukan tak belagak tapi kena jalan sangat ke?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yummy. Nak baby. Try.
Hai. Sedap.
Okay lah. I rasa macam macam mana nak cakap?
Tak masak.
Tak lah, dia okay. Tapi dia macam boring lah. Kalau ada cili sambal karo amin tu.
Kalau ada barbecue kan, spicy barbecue.
Oh, kalau ada ayam. Oh,
Tak ada cheese semua.
Wingstop pun dah cukup dah. Wingstop barbecue. Turun jalan.
Tengok Harry. Harry buka apa?
Harry.
Kalau breakfast kita boleh.
Oh, before breakfast. After breakfast.
After breakfast.